New technology has been made available to the Massachusetts Maritime Academy by the Marine Oil Spill Prevention and Response Program of Mass DEP. It's a new unit, oil in water locator, developed by SeaBird technology. We tried it in the lab, it worked well, and now it's time to get it out and make sure we can get a signal real time back to the surface when deployed underwater at the Massachusetts Maritime Academy Marine Lab pier. So here's a quick view of it. So first thing is get the computer to talk to the unit, which you're working on now. And we have the underwater camera set up, and we'll video. All right, so we're going to deploy the camera. Okay. And we'll get the camera down. Camera's videoing, and you can see the angle of the camera as you put it down, Liam. So you're going to want to go straight down, and you should be able to go down about 10 feet down. Okay, good. We're going to launch this oil and water locator, SeaBird Owl, at the Mass Maritime dock, right outside the Marine Science Lab. Going to take a picture or two as it goes underwater. See how it works out, and it will give us a real-time profile, depth, temperature, salinity, dissolved oxygen, and oil and water. Liam, can you see it on the camera?
I can.
Okay.
Come on, you gotta start.
Excellent.
Do a head start.
All right. And as you go down,
Can you still see it on the computer?
yes, perfect. You guys, just what you're doing. If you can go get out a little more, keep following it. Good. Don't hurt yourself. I guess we're never going to get to the bottom, but that's a nice profile. Very nice.
Is the depth changing?
Yeah, just about at the end of the pole right now.
Yeah. All right. Why don't you bring her right up depth? Everything's changing.
Okay.
I mean, I can't focus on which one's depth. Oh, depth is up there. I see.
So bringing it up.
Bringing it up. Okay. Oh, temperature's changing too a little bit. Well, I mean, you go into the hundreds of thousands. All right, I'm gonna. That was successful. Very good job. We got the camera on it, so we make sure that the perimeter's working. We make sure that the probe got down. The most important measurement of success in marine sciences is getting the data and getting it back to the lab. This was successful. We did a good profile. Profile is recorded. It's actually graphed on the graph to the right of this. And as you can see, in real time, we could look at and find oil and water if there would happen to be an oil spill, and especially when you use surfactants You really don't know where the oil goes. This is a really cutting edge technology developed after Deepwater Horizon, and Mass Maritime Academy is really proud to be able to teach it to our students.